Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So we have another listing, guys. This is 12,000 square meters or 1.2 hectares along Barangay Road near highway, and it has a rice field. So there is a rice field. The property is located in Sikatuna, Bohol, near Tagbilaran City, and it has different trees like coconut, mahogany, and Gemelina trees. Big portion of the land is rice field. So there's a big portion of the land is rice field. So this is the situation, guys. So here comes the rice field. Then the other side is still part of the property, the one after the rice field. So makikita natin maraming puno, no? According to the owner, that is part of the property. Yun, parte pa yan ng property. This rice field is not already operated. Hindi na nila tinaniman. According to the owner, hindi na nila kaya kasi medyo matatanda na sila. Then this one, no, the one with elevated portion also is part of the property up to this Barangay Road. So very nice. Water, electricity are available, including the signal. For inquiries, just contact me, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.